gonna get you with the jabba. Me, I no get time, I did jabba. That cover my face, calling me jabba. Biggie man, we don't be where I bada. Tell me, what's it come? You are come, all the men, they can't ride the foot. I no feet, die for nothing. What's it come? You are come, all the men, they can't ride the foot. I no feet, die for nothing. Make you no say anything when you do, they must commend it. I can't come and see myself. So anything when they do, they try to take one way. Plenty survive with the face. Just to make your money day. But my people then go say, I know one buy, I know one die, I know one baby. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. You tell me, what's it go? You want go? All the money, they can't ride the boat. I go feet, die for nothing.
think these two right here, that's the only two left. All the rest is already been poured concrete. So basically we're ready to go. Oh, got stuck. This is the elements, that's what's gonna cross all the rooms. That's what's gonna be holding the power of the roof before we pour the concrete and put the bricks between them.
Can't ball in a life, man. Go on with it, go on with it. Do us, yeah. So we are coming here with a force, yeah. Blessings we are reaping, we coursing on full. Oh, we not rise and boast. Yeah, we give thanks like we need it the most. We have to give thanks like we really supposed to be thankful. Blessings all from the life, man. But thank God for the journey that us to the plus. Yeah. Gratitude is a must. Yeah. Blessings fall from the right hand. What's a toast to the friends that take off with the load? One time, sit down in a class and we put that only see the road and we go on with the road. Word for me, say me tired thing. And you know it warmed up to be a fire thing. Jump on stage with credits and you sing, yeah, Jimmy, I'll dig it soon, get the higher ring like hello, brother. Say I shut down. Saw you post the spectacular photo. Keep it burning, yes, that's the motto. If you need a butter, pass through your shoulder. You're balling and live, man. Me have to come back for the journey to just to the plus. Yeah. But gratitude is a must. Yeah, me see blessings fall from the right hand. What's a toast to the friends that take off the road? One time, sit down in a class and we pour them only set the road and we go on with it, go on with it. That's what blessings are for me. And send me to tell them a story. That's what blessings are for me. And that's why I'm gonna give him the top. Bring me the light. You know, some of us are ignited. Got the music get me excited. Coming like a boss. Blessings all for my life, man. But thank God for the journey that's to the plus.
Sometimes you love too hard, sometimes you go too far. I won't want you if you need me. Real things don't not come easy, no. Never been your wanna fall too hard. You're falling, but you don't wanna fall apart. 'Cause it might break if I give you my heart and you hold on too hard. Cool down, simmer, cool now, please. Cool down, simmer, cool down, love. Cool down, simmer, cool now, please. Cool down, simmer, simmer. Boy, you make it too hard for me to stay here. Boy, you're making it hard for me to be your love. Cool down, cool down, cool down, cool down, cool down, cool down, cool down.
Dapat mo tagay lemah kan ay? Ha? Ay lemah ka ga.
Ate bagi. Wano. Kodep ni i.
daayira laa koy yëngal moom.
Ada?
daayira laa koy yëngal.
Waaw am naa Taysiir kër ga de. Taysiir Alaaji Maalik.
moom laa lay wax ni.
moom mooy Taysiir yu ñu ci wax de Alaaji Maalik.
waxuñu tey si.
Taysiir am na ko am na ko Alaaji.
Mo dele fi gan bagage yi bari ki bobu da lay fat.
Voilà.
Alright, that's what you can see. That's also what they did yesterday. You see, they put the concrete between the bricks and these this is the closet that we have right here. This part is left open because we gotta put another irons work, those irons bar works in here. But that here is gonna coming up the stairs, so we gotta reinforce it in irons bar before seal it. You know, that's why I left open. This is gonna be the guest bathroom right here. That's why I went to get all those tools you see, so that way we can finish up here, right here, and also the area right here, you see, and all the way. That's why I've been transporting all these tools since yesterday. So when the guys come back tomorrow, we should be able to finish up all this between tomorrow and by tomorrow is Wednesday, yeah, by Friday, so everything should be done. Our plan is to do the roof by Saturday. If everything is not done, the latest maybe Monday. Yeah, that's the plan.
kon da nga dugg deuxième âge nii Cheikh. da nga dugg deuxième âge.
ah dugg nañ deuxième âge kay.
Ah de dugg nga rek man dugguma de. Ah man dugguma de Cheikh.
comme jox nañ 40 ans yi jëm kaw moom. yaa ngi deuxième âge yi fi doon nii.
Share, share.
Alright, today we have the plumber who's here. The electrician was here yesterday. That's when he will start running, his line. That's what you see over here. So, and we have today the plumbers coming in. This is the restroom. So it's gonna be the sink gonna be right here. We're gonna have a little bucket on the toilet who's gonna be there. And the shower's gonna be on this side. We're gonna have a separation also. The window you were talking about is right here. So we're gonna drop it more to this, probably this level or right here, so we can shape it like the kind of window you were telling me about, So we're gonna lower it a little bit, so that way you can do the shape that you want, And the plumbers are here working, running this pipe, so it can go all the way up, and the water line also need to be run. So the electrician was here yesterday. You see his line, the electric line going over there. And that's what he was running over here also, you can see. And probably by next week we're gonna start building the stairs right here. That's where it's gonna be. And all the materials are here for the water line. You can see the hot water, cold water. And some other guy from the plumbing team who's still here working right. For doing the whole road today, pouring the concrete.
gonna next week. Hey, good morning, good morning. It's a lot of noise, it's probably not gonna hear me. We have some little delay. We had one coming on first. It got broken, like you can see right here on the green one. This one got broken, so you had to stop and want to get the bigger one. Catch up with the timing. So that's what you see right now. We're trying to catch up with the timing. Today is a Friday before prayer time, before the break time, and after we're gonna finish this stuff. I'm doing all in one. So we can be done. All right.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby. And twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire.
Ni mel ni séeréer ni fonké la ambiance lañ ci japp mais Abbas
Everything just got watered. Let it dry. Then I go water it for a couple of days.
Could it be that it was all just so simple then? sound advice. He gave me his shoulder. His words were very nice, but that is all behind me. 'Cause now there is no other. My love is his and his is mine. My friend became the love of my life. You are my friend, love of my life. I can't depend, love of my life. Without you, baby, feels like I said true love. Yeah, love of my life. You are my friend, love of my life. The one kept the vision, my life. Without you, baby.
Tell me why you're crying, how can it be you? When you gave me something I don't really feel, but you knew that already. When I found you on the ground, you were jogging. Now you come into my yard uninvited. Can't you see me on the edge? I'm enlightened. If the world was ending, would you cry or would you try to get it? Tell me now, but I want you to be clear, yeah. Tell me now, I need you to be clear, yeah. I will wait for you, for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you. Man, you put the time on a rewind, yeah. Help me understand, can you tell me now why you made a war that we're fighting now? And you fall and you run when you see my big guns. Run around, run away as a rebel comes out. Then you call on me. When you call me, I come. But then you go again with your death, yeah. Open your mind to the sound of the trumpet. What do you want from the life of the hopeless? Now here you are, you're begging and crying. I want to fly, yeah, I'm flying to morning. Running away to the land of discovery. Running away from the suffering I'm caught, yeah. Running away from the darkness I'm out, yeah, yeah. I don't know the limits. Going way beyond the noise and you feel things. When you speak, all I can hear is silence. Turn it back from all the pain and violence. Big tunes, now it's big tunes. I'm really right now from the side now. Come on, then fall down when you see me. You know that I was there for you. I will wait for you, for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you. Black people, we the coolest, we the baddest, we the flyest, we the realest. I love y'all. Peace.